Okay, today I'm making rabbit with rice. Arroz con Conejo, a pretty common dish here in Valencia, just because you can't eat paella every day. Okay, the ingredients for chicken with rabbit, rabbit, not a cat. This is not a cat, goddammit. I don't think it's a cat. Anyway, you see, you buy it from the butcher, it's pretty well chopped up, ready for serving. I got a little bit of smoked pancetta, a little more pancetta, some morcilla, and here we have the rabbit liver, some broad beans, or bachoqueta as they call them in Valenciano. I like to cut these with the scissors. I cut them in, I'll show you later. A couple button mushrooms, just because I have some. A little bit of tomato for the sofrito. Arroz paella, my favorite rice for these kind of dishes. Garbanzos. We're going to need olive oil, as with everything else. Pimenton, sweet and spicy. Salt. That's it. I think I showed you a little bit of garlic for this dish. And let's get started. I snip the ends off the green beans and cut them into little strips. Mushrooms into little pieces. I drained the beans and rinse them. I have some red pepper, which I forgot to mention in the ingredients. A little red pepper. I'm just going to use a little laurel. Olive oil. A lot of olive oil. Kind of a lot more than you think you'd normally use. I'd say about a quarter cup. Don't be shy with the olive oil. It's good for you. The new Mediterranean diet study. Okay, starting off with the pancetta, the unsmoked pancetta, just because I want to render it quite a bit before I start the other stuff, the rabbit. So I've got a little bit of bay leaf and garlic in the oil. Kind of get the oil nice and vented. For the rabbit, head and all. I'll pick the head out later, but maybe as much of that flavor out of it as I can. That's sausages. Okay, I'm throwing the smoked pancetta. And the red pepper. Next, I put in the green beans. They take a little bit longer. The mushrooms will go in after that. Just put things in the order of how long it takes to cook. Some people take the meat out of the pan and cook that. I'm not a big believer in that system. I put a little salt in this at every stage. Whenever I put something in, I add a little salt. Looking pretty good. As you can see, I grated the tomato. I use a cheese grater. I grated the tomato. That removes the skin. You just throw the skin away. This will be used to make the sofrito. So we're just trying to work them into the oil and fat we got going on here. Okay, I've added the garbanzo beans, and I just want this to get up to temperature. I'll put the morcilla, which I've cut into pieces. I really like morcilla in rice. It's best way to eat morcilla in a rice dish. Trust me on that. As I promised, I took out the rabbit head and the bay leaf. You can give the rabbit head to your kids to play with. Kids love it. And now it's ready for the rice in. This is a half a kilo of rice, 500 grams, 2 cups, whatever you want to call it. Now I'm going to situate the rice around the pan, and then that's it. Then it's just a matter of timing it. 15 minutes. Okay, the timer is going. I said you can shake the pan, but you don't want to stir it. Do not stir a paella. I'm just moving around because, like I said, I don't have a really completely even heat source, so I'm moving a bunch. shake it, move it around a little bit. That's about it. The thing about paella is that it's a one pan dish. You at least have to get through clean up all the other crap you used, which I do, put away before it's finished. Looking good. I'm just going to take it off the fire. Well, I have taken it off the fire. And I'll just let this rest for about 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes. Some people put, like I said, some people put newspaper over it. I'm not a big fan of that idea. Newspaper is pretty dirty. I wouldn't want to touch in my paella. And that is arroz con conejo.